Quibittech review. I've been in this program since October 19th of 2020, and I started with a Silver Plus package for $5,000. My monthly return is expected to be $1,250, and I will receive 250% of my initial deposit. So that would be $12,500 when it all is said and done. So if we scroll down here, you'll see $5,000 and what the value is in ETH and Bitcoin. And my what I've received so far is over $1,300 here. If you wanted to upgrade, you can click here and go into the next package above Silver Plus. If you want to start a new one, you can just pick any one of these. The smallest one is $100. The largest one's $100,000. I don't think I'll be doing that, but then scroll down here. They just added this recently, which shows a leaderboard for affiliates. They do have an affiliate program to share your link, and if somebody signs up under you, you get a percentage for the first two tiers of people under you. And then down here you'll see the daily reports. This shows you the daily reward that you get from your license. So these percentages, like this one on November 17th, got 0.43% of that $5,000. Let's see, that was $2,150. My largest one was 1.25% over the first 30 days at $6,250. And over here on the right, you'll see the withdrawal history, and this will just show you the status after you hit withdrawal. It will say pending until it releases. And what I found with the withdrawals is that those usually follow the following morning, usually between 3 and 6 a.m. Central Time for me. You just click this withdrawal link here, and you enter your amount that you want to take out. I believe the minimum is at least $10, and the maximum weekly limit is going to be the amount of your initial investment. So mine was $5,000. So if I had $10,000 in here for some reason, I could only take out $5,000 this week, and then I'd have to wait till next week to get another $5,000 out of it. And then you put in your Google Authenticator number. Let me pull that up. You hit withdraw. And scroll back down here, and it shows that it's pending. Now, one other key piece of information for this platform you will want to know is that they are in a lot of countries outside of the US and Canada, but if you are in the US or Canada, you will want to get a VPN. And the one that I use was recommended by the Oracle on YouTube, which is called TorGuard. And instead of him getting affiliate commissions with his coupon code, he forfeited those so that everyone else could benefit with a 50% off for life on whichever service you chose. The only thing you really need is just the anonymous VPN. They have all kinds of other services. And then if you scroll down here, you can choose how often you want to be billed. The one nice part about this is they are crypto friendly. So if you do have crypto or prefer to pay in crypto, they do send you an invoice, and you can pay it in Bitcoin or Litecoin right now, or you can still pay the traditional credit card. So I just do the $4.99 a month, which is originally $9.99 a month, but with that discount. but just remember, you do want to have a VPN. This one is the fastest VPN out there. There are free ones out there, and some of you may have a free one, but you will get what you pay for. Those tend to be a little bit slower. This one has been the fastest one. It's recommended to. I would use Italy or Milan if you can. That seems to be one of the best out there when you set up your settings. And if you want more information on Quibittech, to verify that they're a legit company, you can go up here to your main panel. Oops. You go to Documents. And here are all their legal documents: their registry card, their insurance, patent application, certificate of incorporation, all of that. But they've been around since June of 2020, and the guy that I watch, he had his eye on it back in the summer and kind of just checked to see if it was legit and if it would actually stay around, and it's holding solid. So one other thing you can do if you're into this stuff is they do offer robots that you can purchase, and they give you a free one after you invest at least $1,000 in there. You get to pick which robot you want. I don't actually use this robot. It's just a free one they gave me. I've done that a couple of years ago. It just wasn't worth it to me. But if you want to, you can connect these to Bitfinex and Binance exchanges, and you set in some parameters and tell it how you want it to make profit for you. But see, you're only going to get about 4.82% on that. This one did really well today. It looks like it got 100% of its trades. Let's see what this one did. This one did pretty well at 5.49%. The reason why I'm not too impressed with these, though, is I'm involved with leverage trading for Bitcoin and Ethereum through the guy who referred me to this platform. And I easily can make 15, 20, 30% or more. Just the other day, I was lucky enough to make 98% on a short, which was pretty awesome. I was waiting for my exit actually, and I was expecting to only get about 15%, but there was a sharp drop down. Started at about 130%, but since it was so fast, the order didn't confirm until about 98%, but I ended up with 2.6 ETH on that one trade, which was about $1,200 that night, and I had already made about $300 and some that day, so it ended up being a $1,600 day, which was not bad for I think I did 5 or 6 trades that day, a little bit in the first half and a few in the evening. So that I'm really enjoying, and I'll do some more videos of the leverage trading, so you can get information on that, and who I follow, so that if you're interested in that, you can learn what I learned and really change your life. But if you have any questions or comments, feel free to post below, and I will get back to you. And again, just remember, when you're using Quibittech, before you do hit enter, make sure that your VPN is on, or you will get a white screen that says forbidden on it if you're in a country that they don't have listed, that doesn't want to do business with them. Till next time, thank you guys.